Hello, this is Shreyas, is your special correspondent. I'm your host, but not your host. I have a special message for you. Happy New Year! But before that, you should know that how to celebrate your New Year and how to welcome your New Year. Just welcome it with a big party and call everybody into your party, and you should start with a good beginning, and that could mean with a specific resolution which you can find useful at the end of the year when you will find a lot of change in you. I hope you like my special message for New Year, and I hope you will be a changed personality and a changed person at the end of the year 2011. Happy New Year for them. Bye. See you again.